This and that. Look, read, and understand. This is a car. That is a tree. That is a tree. This is a bag. This is a bag. This is a hut. This is a hut. This is a rat. That is a cup. That is a cup. Picture reading. Complete the sentence. Number 93 and number 94. 93. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93. Write the number. 94. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50, 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57, 58, 59, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65, 66, 67, 68, 69, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, 80, 81, 82, 83, 84, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. Write the number. Number 93 and number 94. To market rhymes.
To market, to buy a fat pig. Home again, jiggity, jiggity, jig. To market, to buy a fat hog. Home again, jiggity, jiggity, jog. To market, to buy a plum cake. Home again, market is late. To market, to buy a plum bun. Home again, market is done. To market, to buy a fat dog. Home again, jiggity, jiggity, jog. To market, to buy a small chick. Home again, jiggity, jiggity, jig.
Sphere. I am a sphere. These are the things that look like me. Sphere-shape objects. Ball. Ladu. Globe. Marble. Lollipops. Color the picture. The water cycle.
Hi there, students. I'm Winnie, the water drop. I'm on an adventure through the water cycle. Come join me. Heat from the sun is warming me up. I'm changing state from a liquid to a gas. When this happens, I rise up into the sky. Whee! I've turned into vapor. This is called evaporation. The higher I move up in the sky, the cooler the temperature gets. When I cool down, I change back into my liquid state as a teeny tiny water droplet. This is called condensation. My water drop friends and I all huddle together to create a cloud. The more droplets that come together, the heavier the cloud gets. It's getting too heavy to stay up here. Time to fall back down to the ground. Depending on the temperature, sometimes we fall as hail, snow, or rain. Cannonball! Wow, that was so much fun! Looks like I've landed in a creek. Some of my friends may have soaked into the ground, and most times we land in the ocean. This is called collection. I wonder where I'm headed. Look, we've made it back to Lake Ontario. Because nature's water cycle never ends, my friends and I will do this over and over and over again. This is the water cycle. Next time it's raining, look up. I might be on my way down.
Put the numbers in the picture with the following water cycle words. Number name 40 and 41. 40. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. Trace and write the number name. 41. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41. Trace and write the number name. A, or, an. Read and write the name of these pictures with a or an. An. Ant. Elephant. Train. Mango. Bee. Inkpot. Before, after numbers. Write the number coming after. Write the number coming before. Air pollution. Smoke from various sources pollute the air. Smoke from burning garbage. Smoke from burning garbage. Smoke from cigarette. Smoke from cigarette. Smoke from factories. Smoke from factories. Smoke from vehicles. Smoke from vehicles. Circle the pictures that create air pollution. (42, 43). 42. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42. Trace and write the number name. 43. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43. Trace and write the number name.